Venom Power Terra Hunter XTs. Are these the best hybrid tire out right now? Alright y'all, today is the day. We mounting these Venom Power Terra Hunter XT 35 12.5 20s on these Detroit steel 20-inch steel wheels. Let's go ahead and get into it. They're going to be going on this crew cab square body once that frame is ready. Alright, me and D gonna go ahead and load these things up into the back of the L, and we're gonna head to the old joint in Laplace and go get these things mounted up. Catch us in a sec. It's a big unit, y'all. Thing's bigger than the whole vehicle. Out hard, but made it here without breaking off the coilover bracket. This thing loaded down, yeah. Alright, decided to switch vehicles. Brought Laris to the front. We're gonna load it with stuff for the dump. Go get the wheels on the way back. I already lost a box, ain't made it 20 feet down the road. Set some tires on top of that. Come and pick up the wheel. Got a nice little hot rod right there. Look. Boy, I got them mounted. They look good, y'all. Perfect little lip. Nice little bulge.
Monster truck tires! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh, what's the car?
Alright. Got them wheels unloaded out of Leroy. Pop the cap on. I'm getting ready to talk about these things, but I just popped the wheels on this. I need to get this thing out of the garage because this wheel video is going to be out. And in this video, first video actually on the 6.8 build is going to be coming out pretty soon, probably Sunday, if you're watching this Friday or Saturday. But I'm going to be doing a nice little wash on it and do a little sweet patina rub down on it, yeah? So I gotta get it outside. I'm gonna pressure wash it first. All right, y'all, I already told y'all that these are Venom Power Terra Hunter XTs, but these are 35, 12 and a half, 20, like I said. But the XT means extreme terrain. They in between a AT and an MT, y'all. Little more aggressive than an all-terrain, less aggressive than a full-on mud tire. They will create a little less noise than an MT, but I'm sure they still make a little bit, right? This is an aggressive-looking tread, y'all. I also sprung for those extra load-rated tires, y'all, because this is about to be a heavy pickup truck. And just judging by these aggressive side lugs and deep grooves, these things are going to do good in mud, snow, anything you probably going to get yourself into with four-wheel drive. These tires will probably handle it with enough wheel speed. I'm a long ways away from actually installing these things on a chassis. I just wanted to get the tires mounted on the wheels, give y'all a little look at what we got going on here. Next, let's go ahead and talk about these Detroit steels right quick. What you're looking at for a rim is going to be a Detroit steel Del Rey 20 by 9, 4-inch backspace. That's why I got a little lip here. Gonna stick out, have a little aggressive look on this truck. I also opted for hubcap clips. Don't mind how dirty, that's just from tire install gradu. Detroit steel wheel made right here in the USA, y'all, in Detroit, Michigan. Make sure you check them out. So what we got here is Detroit steel wheel, steelish, Venom Power Terra Hunter XTs, y'all. I think it's gonna look smooth. Big lug pattern. I will have to drill this out though, because when I run that big Ford, that big Dana 60, I'm gonna have to get access to them locking hubs. All right, y'all, well, this wasn't a real long video. I just wanted to get these tires mounted on the wheels, show y'all what they look like, tell y'all a couple of the specs, because this project here, I mean, we talking frame off, and I want this thing to be sick. So it's going to take a little longer than, say, my little 68 Power Tour project, right? Big old project. Fun, quick project, if you know what I'm saying. Peace, y'all. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Do a speed shout out.